Go to Mishna, study Masechet Megillah, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Tet. Over here, so I'm going to discuss the difference between a Kohen Gadol. Now, there are two types of Kohen Gadols, right? There's the classic one who was anointed with the oil, and this happened in the times of the first Bet HaMikdash, up until the times of Yoshiyahu. And then afterwards, where we didn't have the oil anymore, then we just called them Mirubeh Gadim, the Kohen Gadol who had the extra clothes. They weren't anointed with oil, but they still wore the clothes of the Kohen Gadol. So, there's no difference between the two, except when it comes to the bull that's brought over all the mitzvot, meaning what? The Kohen Gadol who was anointed with the oil, if he violated a mitzvah, and usually if someone violates a mitzvah, they need to go ahead and bring a korban hatat, right? If anyone, you and I, if we violated a mitzvah, one of the something that would be obligated karet for if we did it on purpose, right? So then you have to bring a korban hatat. This korban hatat usually it's brought as a sheep. That's really what you bring. And when it comes to a Kohen Gadol, he has to bring because of his who he was, his stature, right? Torah says he has to bring a bull. Now, over here, our Mishna is saying that it's not the Kohen Gadol of the Second Temple period who only had extra clothing. Rather, it was the Kohen Gadol who was anointed with Shemen HaMishcha. And the Mishnah continues one other difference. There's no difference between a Kohen Gadol who is acting Kohen Gadol or the Kohen Gadol who is in passing. Right? If you remember Masechet Yomah, we had the Kohen Gadol who was the set as an assistant in case anything happened to the Kohen Gadol Yom Kippur. So this assistant Kohen Gadol would step into place. So they both need to make sure that they're pure, etc. What's the difference between the two? Par Yom Kippurim va'asiri ta'ifa. Right, the Kohen Kohen Gadol who's working in the Bet HaMikdash, he's the one who brings the bull on Yom Kippur. Right, he's the one that brings that, does the whole procession. And asiri ta'ifa, right, that's the korban, the mincha, the Kohen Gadol has to bring, half in the morning, half in the evening. That's done by the acting Kohen Gadol and not by the assistant.